Dongguan Cheng was founded in 2008. With over 10 years experience in commercial kitchen industry, Cheng now is a well-known commercial kitchen equipment manufacturer with R&D team, manufacturing, installation, pre-sale and after-sale service. Our factory is 20,000 square meters. We have almost 200 employees. Modernized facilities are widely used in the factory, such as laser cutting machine, CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, precision testing devices. We obtain many patents throughout the induction heating industry. Our factory is ISO 9001 compliant and products are CE certified. CZC is our own brand. We have 4 production lines for commercial kitchen, commercial cooking equipment, commercial refrigerators and freezers, filter integrated exhaust hood, commercial water purify system. Our commercial heating equipment efficiency is up to 90%. Users can save a lot of money and energy compared with traditional gas cooking. Besides, our automated products also can help users save their labor cost, such as our auto-lift noodle cookers, auto-lift deep fryers, auto-fried rice machines. We provide total solutions for food service, which includes hotel, restaurant, school, hospital, catering, staff canteen, central kitchen and chain restaurants. Quality is our first priority, each product being tested before ship out from our factory. With our expertise, we got many praise from our clients. Our company's vision is provide customers with energy saving and high efficiency products with extraordinary beneficial result.